What's up, everybody, and welcome back to Tudo Kitchen. Today we're gonna be doing an amazingly delicious beer-battered cauliflower recipe, which I know you guys will love. So let's just get to it. So we're gonna start off this recipe by taking our head of cauliflower and we're just gonna separate the florets from the stem. Now, I like to use my hands for this part because it just allows the florets to stay more whole. A knife tends to break it up a lot more. It does take a little while longer, guys, and I'm not going to lie about that, but that's okay because we're going to take our time with this recipe. I also like to break up any of the larger pieces into more bite-sized, manageable pieces. Now let's go ahead and dust this off with some cornstarch. If you only have flour, that's okay too, but I prefer to use cornstarch. And I'm dusting it and tossing it in cornstarch because it allows our wet batter to stick to the cauliflower a lot easier. Now, for our wet batter, we're going to start off with 1.5 cups of flour. Now, I'm just going to go ahead and season this up with some salt. I'm also going to use some garlic powder, some onion powder, and later I'll end up using Cayenne Pepper and Cajun Seasoning. I'll make sure that I put the full recipe and the full measurements in the description below, guys. Alright, just make sure you whisk this up really nicely. I just like to make sure my seasonings and my flour is really well incorporated. Next, we're going to go ahead and add our beer. I have a 12-ounce Corona in the refrigerator, so I just decided to use that, but feel free to use whatever kind of beer you want. You just need about 12-13 ounces of beer. Now, go ahead and mix it up and get all the clumps out, guys. If you want to use an electric mixer or like maybe a stand mixer of some sort, please use that, but I'm just using a whisk just to show you guys how to do it. Now we're going to go ahead and add our hot sauce in there. I'm using about 1 tablespoon of hot sauce. This smells so good, guys. I don't know if you know, but you can use this for fish or shrimp or maybe even chicken if you like. And you pretty much want a pancake batter consistency. Alright, now we're going to start off by putting some canola oil in our pot so we can get that nice and warm so we can start frying our beer batter cauliflower. Now, as you can see how easy the beer batter starts to stick to the cauliflower, if you didn't have that, it would basically start to wipe off really easy, and that's annoying. So we're just going to go ahead and drop it in our fryer once it's nice and warm. And I'm going to do this one at a time. I don't want to overcrowd my fryer either. See, it's almost there. It's nice and golden, but I want to do it so it's a little bit darker, but a nice, amazingly beautiful golden brown color. It takes about 7 to 8 minutes, or until golden brown. The smells that were coming out of this pot. Let's drain those really nicely. Oh, we lost one, but we're gonna just drain it. I like to put it on like a paper towel, but if you have like a cooling rack or something, that works too. But try to drain these as much as you can in some sort of paper towel or something like that. These are amazing looking. There we go. Beer battered cauliflower. Hope you guys enjoy, because I know I did. Oh, I'll also make sure I put the recipe for my little roasted lemon aioli in the description. So enjoy, guys. Peace.